Okay, a little tutorial on hero images. Let's start here. Let's go into hero images so you know exactly what to use this app for. We click on it and we open up the app. Now, as you can see, project, I've called this one A11. You can create multiple projects. So if you've got different businesses, you create a project for each business. And what you're doing here, you're creating images that are going to get your attention. So think about this. When people are scrolling through Facebook, they're up and down, they're stopping on images generally or videos that grab their attention, and the more creative you can be with the image, the more attention grabbing it is, the more chance you've got of getting people to stop and read your post or listen to your post. Now within here, you can click on here, you can tell the AI what you want the image if you can't be bothered to type. I'm not going to click on that now because it's going to pick up everything I'm going to be saying. You can create different kinds of headings for the images. So as you can see, I'm scrolling down here. If you want something that's going to, you know, say extra triumph, you put triumph in here. Relief, you put relief in there. You just fiddle with these, play with them, and go through the different settings to see, you know, what results you get. If you want the image to be really realistic, click on this or leave it blank. As you can see, you can change the color themes, the aspect ratio, and if you click on here, you can fiddle around with all of the settings. Target audience, you know, this is generic, it's set to everyone, but you may have a target audience, I don't know, some of my home care providers, elderly people, so you might put in there elderly people. You might want a photograph, you might want an illustration, digital artwork, you might want it to be realistic, modern, futuristic. There's so much you can do here. Now I create a lot of the images for the apps in here. So typically I'll go digital artwork and I'll go futuristic. And let's say I want something, an image for an app that, I don't know, is for, I don't know, let's say estate agents. And let's just leave it there. And we say, let's say we want to, I don't know, frustration. Click on that. I don't know why I chose frustration and estate agents. Don't shoot me if you are in my networking group and you are an estate agent. It's probably because I've literally just put my house on the market, and I find it very frustrating when my wife tells me I've got to constantly clean the house or constantly keep it tidy because people may come and view. And it's interesting, isn't it, how our brains think? But that's what I come up with. So I'm not saying estate agents are frustrating or anything like that. It's my wife. There you go. Look what that produced. Look, you can see a house, a key, black background. You can go in, you can change it. If you don't like the image, click it as a 1 star. If you really like it, click it as a, 5 star. It helps the AI understand you even more. The more feedback you give these apps, the better it's going to be for you to get even more fantastic results. And actually, I think that's really good. I actually really like that. I would probably use that if I was an estate agent on one of my apps that I create. So that's hero images. Like I always say, you can't break this. Just go in there, fiddle with it, put in different kind of images ideas, or click on this. If you can't think of something, you can click on this and you can describe what the business is and what you're trying to promote, and it will come up with image ideas for you. It will come up with, I think, 10 to 20, and you can just flick through them and just pick the best ones for your business.